Good afternoon to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So how's your trading so far? Pretty good for me. Pound New Zealand dollar. For my subscriber, if you have seen it, it has hit my target one, and I have already set target one achieved. I have already set stop loss entry, and of course over here is my target two. New Zealand dollar itself, apart from that, I did some trade in dollar yen this morning, like 6-ish. All right, so it really depends on how committed are you as a trader. All right, over here there's a retest. I set the alarm, market came down, triggered the alarm. I woke up, I engaged the trade, and of course I have all my stop loss and target profit level in place. If you're in Periscope as well as Instagram following me, you should have received a notification stating that I have already placed my stop loss entry, and I did a partial profit. So there's a video talking about missing my target profit over here by 0.2 pips. So I hold on to the trade, but however I place stop loss entry, and of course I wait for market to come back up, hit my target one, partial profit, and right now it has a retracement at 108.99 thereabout. There is opportunity for me to engage for a long. If it has that formation itself, then I may enter to long this trade again, and you have to do your own analysis for dollar yen. Yeah, my final take profit level for dollar yen is 110.66. That's my target tree. That's not under the trade ideas for dollar yen. All right, just to let you know. However, you can use the previous target over here as your target one, so you can observe how the market move over here. Once it cross over the target one price 109.23, you can place stop loss entry should you are interested to long dollar yen. Just take note, Donald Trump recently has been talking about don't mind US to hit US to shut down to build a wall, so you might have to have some concern in that news, on that news itself. All right, so let me just go to the news, or rather the focus today. New Zealand dollar I have already traded. I have already posted in my trade ideas group to inform traders I've already engaged, and this is my initial stop loss. So this trade is pretty amazing in a way that it has a lot of education segment in this. So let us just go through what's my thought process and stuff like that. One of the level that I'm looking at over here, this is a very important support, very important support. Once market has break below and close below 0.7199, meaning you say that the candle closed below this line, not like this is just a shadow. It has to close below. That looks something like this. Break below, close below. That's the formation I'm waiting for. It has confirmed the downtrend is pretty strong. So my previous trade ideas I've shared yesterday through text is I'm looking to short New Zealand dollar at 0.7277. Alright, this was the price I'm looking at to short the market. Okay, so I asked myself before I engage, like it's a good practice for most trader. You have to ask yourself before you engage. You ask yourself, what if the market came all the way up, hitting this price? What should I do? Should I go in and short again, or just leave it, or should I chase the market upwards? The reason for this short, the thoughts of shorting started when I saw this formation. Alright, I saw it yesterday. That's why I'm sharing. What formation is this? For traders, you can shout out in front of computer, is fine. Closer by the second. Is it clearer to you? What is this formation? Yes, it's your head and shoulder formation. Alright, so usually a formation as such, market, we are looking at a downward movement over here to complete a head and shoulder. There are various ways to plot the target profit level. So I use a Fibonacci extension, and just now you did so I mapped this movement, there's a ABCD movement, to 0.7014. Alright, that's the final take profit I'm looking at. So as you can see, from my entry price, it's a good 200 pips. And my stop loss, if I'm not wrong, let's just place slightly low. It's around 42 pips. In fact, it's slightly lower than 42 pips. That's my initial stop loss. That's a 5-1 ratio. So if you ask me how big are you trading, I'll say it's the same trading size I'm trading in regardless of any other contracts or any other formation. You can say things that oh well, Rain, this is a head and shoulder. It has seen as a pretty strong movement. You know, even in 50-minute chart, market doesn't seem to went all the way up. It rolled downwards. If you can see, this is like a mini head and shoulder. All right, but I'm not qualifying that. All right, so that gives me a opportunity to short the market. So I shorted it. Yep, and that's that. Okay, so my target profits for this itself, my plan for this itself, if market went up, hit my stop loss, I'll just wait for a higher level for me to short. Then some traders will ask things like, hey, why not just place the stop loss higher? That will jeopardize my reward is the risk ratio profile. That's one. Second, look at this. Look at this. Hear me out. Alright? I know this may confuse some of you, but hear me out. From the desirable entry level, 7276 is the preferred level I'm looking to short. That's the level that I shared with you yesterday to short New Zealand dollar. Unfortunately, market did not come all the way up. But if I exit my trade over here and enter somewhere at this range, I benefited from an 18 pips move. I saved 18 pips. Yes, after confirmation, maybe I only have 10, but I just profited 10 additional pips because I allow my trade to get stop out and to enter at a better price after confirmation. That's something worth thinking. Alright. So 7200 is an important support. It has to break below and close below it based on 15-minute chart. For conservative trader, you can wait for the candle to close below this price before you engage. Various level I'm looking at for my target profit. Okay, based on what we have, yesterday I shared with you, 7138 still hold. You might want to use 7130. This is your target profit one. And of course, 7014 is your final take profit level. Or if you want to use 16, it's fine. Yes, I shared 16. Alright. So look at the reward is to risk ratio profile. Whoa. Isn't it great? Isn't it amazing? But it is just like any other trade. Please don't go over religious about it. Alright? Don't put all your trades or all your risks in just one. Every day I have I limit myself, not have, but rather limit myself not to trade more than 3 currency pair. That can keep me really focused in analyzing, and that's the thereabout I can manage my trade. And of course this is my target one, and this is my target two. Pretty good, right? Alright, so I have some I'm going to develop more trades on this. Let's say if this trade develop well, I will have couple of trades to write on this, meaning to say that once market hit my target one, yes, I'll partial profit, I'll wait for a retracement, look for another level, maybe market retrace back to this level. After confirmation, I short the market again. First trade without risk, enter second trade, market went down, retrace, and I short it again. So My rough gauge is I can get quite involved in this trade for around 2 to 3 more times. And of course, that being said, market has came all the way down to 7014. I love this sound. That means it hit some of my profit level. It hit some of my confirmation I'm looking at, which this alarm sounded off because it went below the support as we are talking. All right, see how beautiful it is. Went below. So I'm waiting for the next 7 minutes for the market to close below this price. All right. If you really love this stuff, tell your friends to subscribe to us. As far as I know right now, we have 11 trade ideas recorded, including this one you're looking at, and we have a running of 680 over pips and counting net profits we are generating. And of course, there are some education segment itself that's worthwhile for you to have some thoughts, just like New Zealand today. The thought process, the things that I trigger to let you to go and think further in your trade plan. I hope that really helps, and if you really like it, spread it to your friends. Subscribe to us. First month only for $10. Subscribe month only $100. Previous month we did 1,208 pips of net profit through trade ideas through 12 videos. And right now 11 videos with many not triggered yet, already riding 680 pips. So I do see myself to there's a potential this month we have more than 12 trade ideas. So we shall see how it goes. Till then, remember to plan your trade and trade your plan. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye and all the best for your tradings. It is just less than 7 days. Less than 7 days. Alright, it's about 6 trading days more to the end of this month. You should be more strict with your rule and don't screw up your entire portfolio on the last week. Alright, promise me that. And of course, all the best to you. I'll see you on the next video.